Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Srinivas Bisala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. This video is the second one of the organic chemistry reasoning questions. Let's see what is there in today's video. Which alkyl halide from the following pair would you expect to react more rapidly by SN2 mechanism? And the two alkyl halide given are this one. Let's see how to solve this. So these are the two organic compounds given. These are the two alkyl halides given. Now we need to find out of these two, which of them more rapidly involves in SN2 reaction mechanism. Recollect that SN2 reactions that takes place through the formation of transition state, isn't it? SN2 reactions takes place through the formation of transition state. And whenever steric crowding is less, the attack of the nucleophile on the carbon of the alkyl halide will be very easy. So that is the reason why the order of reactivity of alkyl halides towards SN2 reaction is primary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary, which is more reactive than tertiary. The simple reason is because in primary alkyl halide the steric hindrance is less. So because of less steric hindrance, the reactivity of primary alkyl halide is more towards this SN2 reaction. It is because the nucleophile can easily attack the carbon where the halogen is attached. Now see here, the first compound A, this is the secondary alkyl halide because bromine is attached to secondary carbon. And the second compound B, this is a tertiary alkyl halide because bromine is attached to tertiary carbon. So what will be the answer? The answer is nothing but the secondary alkyl halide. The secondary alkyl halide, that is compound A, that is more reactive by SN2 reaction. Let's solve one more reasoning question where you will be understanding the SN1 reaction. See here, which of the given alkyl halide undergo SN1 reaction faster? The two compounds given are, one is this one and the second one is this one. So recollect the mechanism of SN1. We know that SN1 reaction takes place through the formation of carbocation, isn't it? The formation of the carbocation is the rate determining step. So the stability of the carbocation will decide the order of reactivity of the alkyl halide, isn't it? And we know that the stability of carbocation is like this. Tertiary carbocation more stable than secondary, which is more stable than primary, isn't it? Now again see, the first compound is primary alkyl halide and the second compound is tertiary alkyl halide, isn't it? So now the tertiary alkyl halide will give rise to tertiary carbocation, which is more stable than primary carbocation. So that is the reason why the second compound, that is the compound B, this is more reactive towards SN1 reaction. So that is about the reasoning questions in this particular video. We shall again meet in the next video with some more reasoning questions. Thank you.